grass. Kikuyu grass is a rather thick and mat-forming, non-native grass that is highly invasive. It can be murder in local creeks or marshes and places like that. Its distinguishing characteristic is that it tends to push almost everything else out, and it forms a mat that spreads vegetatively, not so much by seed. The botanical name, by the way, is Pennisetum clandestinum. Kikuyu grass actually originates from Kenya in Africa and shares the name of a tribe in Kenya, the Kikuyu. One of the things I'll point out about it, and we can actually pull some up here to kind of do a demo, is that it spreads on long stems like this that travel up and over stuff and will actually bury native vegetation. And it will also break off in creeks and spread downstream and reestablish in other places. It's a nasty grass. Very hard to get rid of too. Hand removal is only marginally successful, and in creek banks often causes more problems than it solves. So it's really difficult to get rid of. On Santa Cruz Island, you'll find Kikuyu grass growing here in Lower Scorpion Canyon near the visitor center, but also above the campgrounds, particularly above the lower campground, as I recall. You'll see it along the trail sides. So it'll be a large, conspicuous mat of grass. It also grows in the Central Valley on Santa Cruz Island, but a lot less than it used to because we've been working hard to eradicate it. You also find it in Prisoners Harbor, I should add.